Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Nissan Rogue Platinum SL. This one's white. Underneath it is a 2.5 inline 4-cylinder with 175 horsepower and 170 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch wheels, tan leather interior, panorama sunroof, Nissan Rogue SL all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, keyless entry, automatic car starter, blind spot assist, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, USB ports, auxiliary, automatic transmission, heated seats. This Nissan Rogue has 32,318 miles, Carfax and service records available online. To view more photos of this Nissan Rogue, visit us at feldmanimports.com.